Alright, here we are. We got my favorite sailors, Lance and Dan O'Shea, and myself, Bill Pavio, out here with the with the windsurfers. And we're going to kick up a little bit of wake in the back, as you see. It's almost like a motorboat, like a 9-9. And we do have white caps. I will confirm. That's it. Keep going this way. You just got a little puff, that's all. Okay, that's just the, got a little luff there, but we tried to fix that. We couldn't for it. Right. No, we tried to get the out haul to come down. We just don't. Okay, you all right, Lance? All right. You can pull your sail in a little bit more if you want to go faster.
I was thinking of going into the wind more.
Yeah, well, you are kind of going into the wind a little bit more, so that's good. There you go. You just want to prove that my new outfit's water UV protected. I may have to put the back on this thing so it doesn't get ruined. Yeah, we got a little spray. We're gonna have to go down below. Take some Dramamine. See what you missed, Bo?
Oh, those clouds are moving nicely up there.
Yeah, baby. I better put the waterproof back on here, I think.
Dan's leaning away.
Dan's hiking out.
So I like to sell out.
That's all right. Pull it in. Pull it in, Lance. I want to go faster.